Okay, I already said I'm kind of moving toward a different direction, and if you ain't figured that out by now, ham radio. So I've already just started on taking down some of the CBs in my audio room, and gonna convert it over to both CB and ham. We're not giving up on CB. It's what we've been doing for 50 years, but we've done everything we wanted to do, plus some, as far as CB radio and with the collection and all that, and proud of my collection. And this is pretty much the best of my best up here in the audio room, but I got too many of them, and gonna make room for some ham stuff and reorganize. So this is my video of my audio room before I start tearing it down and changing it around and shifting. That's basically my audio rack of processors. Most of them are asymmetrical modulation processors from back in the day, analog asymmetrical processors. I believe in asymmetrical AM modulation. Globe King 300, that's a Henry with a 8877 in it. That was an RF generator. Here's the bench. Already started changing things around a little bit. Signal generators, another signal generator, power supplies, multimeter. Tram I've been using for the bench for a long time. Easy receiving, one of my I think one of the best receiving radios ever made, and dependable too, is the Tram Titan 2A there. A lot of people favor the Titan 2 non-A with the stainless steel chassis, but this is more refined version of the Titan 2A in the wood cabinet, and I think Tram even said it was more refined looks or updated looks with the Titan 2A. And I also like the crystal scheme. The Titan 2 used the big crystals. This uses the normal crystals, and the frequency is a lot more stable with this one. The big crystals, double frequency crystals, and they like to drift a lot. That's a little mud duck radio I did a lot of videos on. One of the new toys, had it a while, but got this one hooked up. It was already Mars modded. Not that I even know if I needed that or wanted that. But anyway, that's the kind of direction we're headed to. So far, I tell you that even though this is the ICOM 7300, it's small, but that thing does everything. It does, so much more than a CB could do, and it's digital, you know. That's like a flex, in one box, a lot smaller and dependable. Very, very refined radio. It can do, everything. I still love plate modulation, but I'm telling you, digital is the way of the future. Analog is going the way of the dinosaur. They used to say the same thing with power supplies when they came out with switching power supplies. Like, that'd never work. They make noise and all that. They figured that all out, and switching power supplies are the way of the future, and digital radio is the wave of the future. There's more in the bench. Variac, a little driver amplifier, some watt meters, dual channel, digital scope, freak counter, some line voltage monitors. Back behind there's a great big giant dummy load. Don't need to see my TV, I guess. Some are my babies. Actually, some of my favorite babies. We got more around the house, the rafters are bulging and all that. But this is stuff I'm keeping. Not planning on getting rid of any of this yet. Unless I got a duplicate or something. These are like my all-time favorite babies right here. Just CBs. And over here, the last one. Collins R390A. That was a military general coverage receiver, the best that military could build in the 1950s, and it cost the military about $30,000 to build these in the 50s, which would be probably about $200,000 in today's money. All analog technology, old school, but the amazing thing about this is basically when you turn the band or the dial, it basically tunes itself mechanically as it goes along. Just an amazing piece of equipment, and considered the best, old school general coverage receiver made, arguably. Some Demcos, some executives, just, collector stuff. And then some of my junky generals. And that's going to be it. Just showing this, my audio room before I tear it down, and we can rebuild it, make it, faster, better, more powerful. So anyway, that's it for this one. All right. Bye.